I bought way too many things. This is my pre-order China importation batch that I just cleared like a few weeks ago. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So let's get it. I've already unpacked them. I'm an impatient person, so I had to unpack it. I got this big stand. And I got sets of this one. These are empty boxes. I already unboxed. I've unboxed everything too. This is a 5 liter waist strainer. So this is very, very nice. And the quality is very good. Got this workout 2 belts. Then I got this corset. No, yes, in medium. I got trouser jackets, 3 of them. Like, I like the material, how it's made. Like, it's very, very nice. And these are hair too. Like for natural hair girl is like, you just want to take your chemical hair and hair good. Anyway, I think that's what I'm going to show you guys. I just love the color. Coffee is my favorite color, by the way. This is a book stand for students. Yeah. And I got 3 sets of hangers. Different colors because it's I wish so see it in pink or see it in ash. Bro, guys, tell me this is not quality. I also got black as well. Then this is not the last. I got an electric digital scale. It's really, really nice. Like, there's all those ones that need to use battery and all of that. Last but not the least, this is like a student's cooking set. There's one that doesn't cook. It doesn't cook much. It has handles and screws and everything you can use. No student of this. spoons. Yes. So I'm really really this everything. Yeah guys, so that is all. This is my total package is like 10 kg. So this is all I got. Now I'm not giving you my WhatsApp number. The school if you're within Nigeria, I'm not especially if you're within Owerri. So my number is going to be right here. Please make sure you send me a DM on WhatsApp to join my pre-order group for the next pre-order sale that will be having. Thank you and God bless.